Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful day. I am vlogging today. Of course, I'm on my phone because I don't have my camera, and Raph's in the shower and we're waiting on breakfast. It's gonna be delivered to the room here in about 5 minutes. I'm super excited about that, but today we are going to the Amalfi Coast. Yesterday was our second day in Naples, and we just kind of hung out around Naples. So I didn't really vlog yesterday just because I wanted it just to be a full day of no social media really. Well, I did Instagram, but like I only can do Instagram when I have Wi-Fi. I took a lot of pictures and everything and then posted them to Instagram at like 7 p.m. when we got back. We have decided to go to Rome as well. I am so jazzed because we weren't sure if we were going to be able to do that. Today is our last day technically in Naples, so we're going to the Amalfi Coast today, and then we're gonna sleep at the hotel one more time, and then tomorrow our checkout is at midday, so like at 12, and then we're going to catch a 1-hour train to Rome. And we're gonna stay in Rome for a couple days. I'm so excited. Raph was like, because we weren't sure if we were gonna be able to do that because of like time and everything. So yesterday morning, before the tour of Naples, Raph was like, hey, so, you know, do you wanna go to Rome? And I was like, what? Like, yeah, like, oh my God, I'm so excited. So we're doing that tomorrow, I can't wait. Anyways, I am waiting for breakfast to be delivered, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day, but I will chat with you later. I'll let you know what our breakfast is, what it looks like. The complimentary breakfast here is actually really good, so that's nice. But hope you're all having a great day, and I will show you the breakfast whenever it gets here. You guys, we got breakfast. It looks so nice. I got a fried egg, a piece of toast, a cornetto, some pineapple juice. Raph got scrambled eggs with toast, a chocolate tart, and I don't know what kind of juice this is, but it looks really good. And then a macchiato and a cappuccino. Oh my goodness.
That
To the Amalfi Coast.
as we are there.
You guys, we've made it to Amalfi Coast. We have Claudio. Now we have Claudio, that is Raph's cousin. He's parking the car for us right now, and we've made it here. It is so hot. Okay, that's better. Now I have my sunglasses on, but we've made it, and we're about to kind of walk around the area and probably get some lunch. But hopefully you can hear me really well, because it's kind of windy, but it's not like crazy windy. Let me show you the view from what I can right now. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks so nice. And we still have to go up. So we're gonna have to walk for a bit. I don't know if we have to go that way or But it looks so nice.
Hi, Amalfi Coast.
And it's your first time being here too, isn't it?
It is my first time too, yes.
We were deciding between here and Capri, but apparently Capri is like super expensive because it's very touristic.
It is very expensive.
And you had never been here before.
Yeah,
so
and I have been to Capri.
Yeah, so I was like, oh, let's go somewhere we both, it's new for both of us. So yeah, I'm very excited. Wow, look at this. This is a church, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And also, I got my first souvenir. I got a mug. Are you surprised? No. No one is surprised. Wow, look at this. It's so pretty. Alright, you guys, it's dinner time. We made it to our... Wow. Actually, it's lunch, not dinner.
It's lunch.
But it's our lunchtime. I'm so excited. We went to this place called, how do you say this restaurant? Lash'd. Very cute, very cute. Cute. Alright, you guys, we are getting the car back. We're about to leave. We finished our dinner and it was our lunch. I keep saying dinner. It's the lunch. We finished our lunch and it was really, really good. I hope that I filmed it. I think I did, but I don't remember if I filmed it. Did I film it, babe?
I have no idea.
Dang it. Oh well. If I didn't, I'll show pictures, of course. But we were sitting here and me and Raph got a couple of souvenirs, so we'll show those here in a little bit. But I hope you're having a wonderful day and hopefully you can hear me. But I will kind of keep showing you stuff. I think we're gonna go to one more town, but we're gonna do like a drive-through. We're not gonna get out. But apparently it has some really scenic areas and views and stuff, so that'll be really nice. So I'll show you those whenever we get to it. So now,
this is very nice.
Look how pretty. We're in a town called
This is the dome. This
is really pretty. Look at that. And then I showed you this earlier, but look at that. It's all very nice. I love how white the buildings are. We made it back home now, you guys. I'm so freaking tired. You don't even understand. But we have decided to come to get gelato. So let me show you what we got. Yum, yum, yum. So I got feta latte, which is super good. And then I have Oreo down here as well. And then he just got feta latte.
Yeah.
So hyped.
Very good.
Alright, you guys, I forgot to end the vlog yesterday again because I was so tired. So I wanted to go ahead and just properly end the vlog here. And if you can see, we are not in our hotel anymore. We are somewhere else. We're actually at a train station, so we're gonna pick up the vlogs. Now, I'm gonna start filming again. But yeah, hope you enjoyed vlog of the Amalfi Coast, and